Let's look at the ingredients for carrot halwa. Ghee 2 tablespoons, sugar half a cup, condensed milk 2 tablespoons, a handful of cashews and raisins for garnishing, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, shredded carrots 2 cups, milk 1 cup. Let's look at the IP settings. The first step is to saute cashews and raisins. So turn on saute mode and adjust the temperature to low. Once the pot is hot, add ghee. After a minute, add cashews and raisins and fry them until they are golden brown. After a minute, you'll notice that the raisins are ballooning up, and at this point, you can take them and set them aside to use them later for garnishing. I've kept the cashews and raisins aside, and now I'm gonna add carrots into this ghee. I'll saute this shredded carrot for around 3 minutes in the ghee. During saute mode, make sure you stir occasionally to avoid burning. After sauteing it for 3 minutes, add milk. And also add condensed milk. Give it a quick stir and then close the IP. And now I'm gonna pressure cook this mixture for 5 minutes. So turn off saute mode, turn on manual and set it to 5. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I've let the pressure release naturally. Now I'm gonna open the lid. The carrots are cooked well, but there is a lot of moisture. So I'm gonna turn on saute mode. While it's in saute mode, add sugar. At this point, you can check sugar and then add more if necessary. After adding sugar, keep stirring it occasionally to avoid burning at the bottom. I've been simmering this for around 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add cardamom powder and also add cashew and raisins. And I'll simmer for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna stop at this consistency and it will harden after cooling. So time to turn off Instant Pot. And this can be served both hot and cold.